Time is the coin of your life. It is only coin you have, and you can determine how it will be spent. Good afternoon, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. My name is MD Yusuf Habib, and today I want to talk about something that is more valuable than gold, more powerful than any machine, and unstoppable time. Every one of us gets 24 hours a day. The poor, the rich, the young, the old. But here is my question. How do we use it? Time is like flowing a river. It moves in one direction. Never backward, never pause. Only second it passes is gone forever. Actually, can you imagine if losing 1 hour, losing just 1 hour every day in every year, that is full 15 days wasted. Friends, time lost never returns. If you ruin the time, then time ruin your whole life. So, value your precious time. Life is very precious. Listen carefully. Wasting time is wasting itself. So, every minute you procrastinate, every second you ignore, every minute you procrastinate, every second you ignore is an opportunity lost. Opportunities to learn, to grow, to make a gone this forever. But time is not only about work. Time is about life, relationship, and grow. These are investments. They always give back. When time value become knowledge, happiness, and success. So friends, remember this. Your future is built on the moments of today. I said to you all, do not you're wasting time. Cherish it, protect it, and never forget this final truth. Time lost is life lost. Time respected is life celebrated. So truly speaking, this was a very nice moment with you. Thank you for your great patience. Assalamu alaikum.